Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to send Shiba Inu to your Coinbase wallet for ShibaSwap. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to send it from any exchange like Binance, Crypto.com, KuCoin, or any exchange like that over to the Coinbase wallet so you guys are able to use ShibaSwap and you're able to stake and things like that. So all you guys have to do is head over to your Coinbase wallet to start off. And once you're in your Coinbase wallet, you want to go over to the Receive button and then just type in Shiba right here. Once you find Shiba, you want to go ahead and click on it and then just copy the contract address. Once you got your contract address, all you guys have to do is go over to the exchange that you have your Shiba in right now. So like Binance, KuCoin, Crypto.com, any exchange really. And once you guys find that, you can just go ahead and open up your exchange. And once you're in your exchange here, you want to make sure you go over to the wallets. So on Binance, you're just going to go to the wallets button in the bottom right corner. Then you want to find your Shiba Inu token in your wallet, click on it, and then you want to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw under the address section, you want to paste that address that we just got from the Coinbase wallet in here. Once you guys do that, you want to make sure that you select your network. And in this case, it's going to be on the ERC20 network. And then click on confirm. And then here you could put in the amount of Shiba that you want to transfer. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to transfer 1 million Shiba. I can go ahead and type in 1 million. And then I can go ahead and click on withdraw at the bottom here when it's done. It's just not going to let me because I don't have a balance of Shiba in my Binance right now. But if you do have the correct balance, you can just click on withdraw right here. And then you should only be waiting about 5 minutes for your Shiba to be in your Coinbase wallet. And then you're able to go ahead and set it up with ShibaSwap. If you guys are looking for more tutorials with ShibaSwap, I do have more videos coming out into the future. So be sure to stay tuned to my channel for those videos. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to send Shiba Inu to your Coinbase wallet for ShibaSwap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.